This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4369 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Remmy Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, Skylight, TV antenna, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, Colorado detector, TV, water heater, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.